Did you know all tea comes from the same plant? Camellia sinensis is my favorite plant in the world. It's the original plant medicine. White tea is a special variation of Camellia sinensis. Green tea is as well. Oolong tea is a partially oxidized green tea. And pu-erh tea is a double oxidized black tea. And black tea comes from, you guessed it, also Camellia sinensis. There's a sencha green tea from Kyoto, and that's the Uji region of Japan. They have been growing tea for about 450 to 500 years. This is a yin-gen, a silver needle. This doesn't even have tea leaves. This is just the tea bud, the young tea bud. And they pluck it on a full moon and they let it wither and dry. And that has a very delicate taste. Then you've got a gorgeous oolong. GABA oolong is an oolong that's oxidized using no oxygen. So it's a little bit toward a black tea, still somewhat a green tea. It increases your GABA in your brain. So it makes me a little drunk. Pu-erh is a double fermented black tea that has very high antioxidants, as well as it helps with senescent cells to wipe them out of your body, and it also is high in probiotics, so it's really good for digestion. I named this Sin Eraser because if you eat a fatty meal and then you drink this, poof, all your sins are gone.